Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda Metropolitan motor scooter. Automatic transmission, electric start, over 100 miles per gallon on this 50cc Honda Metro. I love the retro looks of this gorgeous scooter, really European style. Beautiful condition, only 388 miles. Things like brand new practically. Come on by, make your Metro dreams come true for just $24.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.